after me. 10 plus 10 equals to 20.
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 Dorcas, Theophilus, what is wrong with you? Why are you people holding your mouth? I don't understand. See, let me tell you, if you are not ready to learn, you leave my class. What is wrong with you? Theophilus, remove that hand from your mouth and repeat after me.
Which one be old self? Eh? Which authority you go obey for this school? Principal talk say, when we enter class, nobody should make noise. We should close our mouth and make no talk. Keep on gonna abusha some million collect 10 plus 10 equal to 10. Why go repeat after you are going to school? Person who get school don't give orders. Say nobody should talk. Keep on gonna make come cook at Hagan. No, must me keep come and give them dog.
Bia teacher, you know who up near me. Who no go talk? Huh? You shall can't die no more. The honor school say don't talk. You can't talk, me will talk. Now you guys who you? Why we go obey you?
Oh, shut up! If you're not ready to talk, I leave my class right now.
Hallelujah! Don't talk now.
Kaigano.
Where do you think you are going?
Outside.
I don't think that you will learn this school. I don't believe that you are going to achieve anything before leaving this school.
You know the God. You will learn small with this Omokoli shoes like you carry 3 heads. As you take less, that's all we say. You know the God. We are only obeying the order into the school.
Yes.
Order
Yes.
the order.
Oh, order it.
Oh, will you shut up? Let's go back to our business. 10 plus 10 equals to 20.
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 Theophilus, what is it? Can't you allow us to learn in peace?
Wait, make I ask you. This 10 plus 10, now 10 them can be 10 naira or 10 kobo. Which one will be 10 plus 10? Is it 10 naira plus 10 naira? Or 10 kobo plus 10 kobo? Or 10 them can take plus 10 and which one makes you the talk of 10 to talk of 10?
Theophilus, you're a bit
You know what? What the book you go ganya? Ilarogara manganya. Iruhala lulunu. Poputa mago tera wayanya. Uranya na jisha yoyi. Nara mayo. Ndemburanya na joshua ganya. Ndemburanya na ganya. Na go bare. I wanna. Dokas again with dokas again. I wanna. Go ya.
God.
Ma dorigi.
Honestly speaking, I'm going to report both of you to the headmistress.
And I'm going to report you to the head of Amadua.
Yes.
Go in and report. I report on. When you see Amadua,
Bam.
What
are you? What a sacrificial lamb.
Dorcas, any more of this stupid language of yours, I'll kill myself.
Nothing you can do. Ah, what are you going to do?
Attack.
Attack. Lengi no le kwenga ino.
Attack.
Onye ki
Puro dele nyawaya.
Nyawaya ko ki no piwa ha ni ngwe ya.
Bia. Paluku. Modonohi. Where dono? I saw you. Calm down. Mponyohi. See, give me my sweets you collected from my bag.
Huh?
Give me my sweet that you removed from my bag.
What you just call me?
Panuku.
Me. Panuku. Me. Papa Onyoshi.
What you be?
What I do?
You collected my sweet.
Which one beside collected your sweet? So if I look for anybody who go collecting sweet for this school, ya sweet arashi. Eh? Ya demonic sweet.
Give my sweet.
Me look at small pikin like me. What I know? What I know? Me where not they even hot to fly.
See, let me tell you. Since you entered that our class, this has been missing. Eh? I caught you the other day. You took my biscuit. Now you're still licking my sweet.
Me? Licking your sweet? I be piecing my piece.
Which piece? Give my sweet.
Come. Why you go allegate me? A little girl say you allegate. Eh? Small pikin like me, what I know? Where no they even hot fly? Small children with small pikin. No beside I have rabbit growth. I am small pikin inside my spirit. God ask my mama for house. My mama go keep plenty money for bed. And so the money go just stay there. She go come back. She go they praise me say one me want to one my son of the So if I look for person who go collecting thing, ya will sweet I say. Sweet Obweni. Sweet nabe. I don't know whether you be small pikin or papa.
I saw you with it. I saw you.
You saw me with it.
I saw you.
Me where they had a piece my piece. Yeah. I'm a bugu. I mean, no sleep for house. I can't take them back. Sleep, you no sleep.
Hey!
You wake up.
Tiho, what is happening? Hey!
David.
Hey! You don't kill person, no.
David.
Hey! Police!
Come help me now. Make me wake up. I beg, come help me.
What do you do?
I don't do anything, no. I did here now. Small tapan the way say make I full and do. Ninja, small ninja boy. Nsi ka me here name na ninja na film. Ntige na nga mote. Me na me to cartoon ntakere me ya so kombo.
If for wole so kombo. Hey! You see? Goliath don't kill David. For Bible, na David kill Goliath. For this Bible where me and you there now. Goliath don't kill David. Hey! Police! Police! Hey!
Let me wake up.
Onya?
If you hear your voice, you go wake up.
Who? Carry your cross yourself, oh. I resemble you priestess where they pray for people to wake up. Carry your cross, Tiho. You wole madu. Tiho, wake up. David.
Dave.
Hey! Police! Teachers! Headmister! Kotoma!
Come on, help me make you wake up.
I don't try him. Headmaster! Kotoma!
Oh yeah, come take your sweet. Take your sweet, oh. David.
Nembiko, I understand how you feel. Please forgive my son. I will talk to him. Biko.
It's not about me, madam. What would I have told David's parents? Had it been he died as a result of what your son did to him? He almost killed him. I don't think your son is here to learn. He's not here to learn. You have to look for another school. Change school for him.
Hey, because don't say that. You know what I went through before you accepted him? Biko no, don't expel him, Biko. You know what I went through before you accepted him? Biko no, meru mebere. Help a poor widow. Biko no, Ezoyem Biko no. To err is human, and to forgive is divine. Because Ezoyem Biko. Melo no me.
My friend, it's because of old time's sake. It's because of friendship's sake. If not, I will expel him. But I have to now think of way to contact the family and plead with them. I'll plead on his behalf. But when you get home, talk to your son. Warn him. He's a nuisance.
Hi. Biko, as for you, don't worry. You know me now.
Please.
I will squeeze his ear. Ma figure yante.
Very important.
Thank you so much. I really appreciate it.
Thank you.
Thank you.
It's okay.
Ezoyem.
No
Thank
problem.
you. Thank you.
I'm going to take care.
Thank you. Ngwano. Oh God, bye bye.
Okay. What did they follow me about? Now me and you they follow go. I don't tell you day your day, make I day my day.
To hozu kwelenu. To you. No verse, yeah? No verse. You get what I say, make me and you talk. But no see I say, yeah, the other way. To you, I won't make me and you go do peace. Me will do peace.
Peace ke mama call peace kudo. Which of the peace?
Peace wonu peace no kobla.
Peace mkpurobi. Come on, I go make peace. Now I knew. Mgbe a hapụrụ onye nne ha ka gịnị ga-ama ịga n'ime woman leader. Adona ga-akwa mkpụrụ ọka n'ebe echiri Virgin Maria. Adona go green white na green. Waga go nwa n'azụ. Ichewe obi n'elu họrọ yogo bịaba na school nga asị m sa ịchọla dị outside hụ nọ n'ime school nga ka echiri bịa ma ozugbo ị nọ na mbatara nga pịam egbe eburu gị bukpute gị itigo onye ga-alụ gị nọkwa nne you dey find husband. No husband for my side. In fact, I will abagla monopause and when him get metchatali ni mego. You no go work. You make peace. Now me you want deceive. Small picking like me when did they bomb me? Elesi amum want takale de kam no nwe bedi him ma.
O maka na want anto hinji biakwan.
Ki ejiri bia no. Ki erugbo go da work. Ogoda work. Onye do na mu wen ga adopogo ni mendum. Don't go tell. They will sew you like they told this my uniform. So put into my life. You no go walk.
I don't know why you can't they talk like this. So, Do you not carry anything husband for mind come? Oh, na friendship find me come. Mana okwa na mewe. Ihe gbasara ije dị kọbai. Mgboro obi Chineke nabate. But ugbu a ihe ntọrọ wu peace.
Give me ihe gbasara je kai. Ge kokpo. N'ime m ko n'ime ha. See, I no get your time. If this is what you want to tell me, make I dey go my go. I have so many lessons. Book where the assignment where the pack give me here. 2 days he never finish.
To your no verse, I will say when me and you live for fight, quarrel. Today we fight, tomorrow we fight. May we dey for this school, put eye direct for wetin carry us come. Where be say na be education. So may we come read book, no book. Because na book carry me come here. May we no dey come dey fight. You know say how about mo bon wan balatam from city. Agram city o can get men nana. Mronga people wey get children send me back. say I go use my bad grammar spoil their innocent children, say make I go school if I wan do nana work. Now I come back come enter school na him bring me here to go read book.
Wait you go do ikuku nwa people wey dey carry pikin yeah nam you reach there they say you get the bad English.
Say ma I come go school na make I enter school. Oh we let him beg school.
Na him be say na otu ugbo hold me and you.
Na him.
Because me too when I act I be the thing dey inside me but my senior brother wey be Ejike, you know Ejike na that my uncle wey get red mouth, wear black, come dey plait hair like woman wey dey for Lagos in the art movie. In wife the art movie, the 2-3 of us are into Nigerian Movers Association. Machi, you gather them no got on a film gage baka. So as he come back, he come beg say no education, no actors. No education. He say education is the key. Education, all we have a future. Education is everything. I say no. The earlier on, I humble myself, come enter school, go learn. The betterment for me. So yeah, me beginning. Msimba, ibida hana secondary wa mno nenwe di hem mutagra. Let me go back to primary. So that you know we him geja mutari agbo ye pam pam. Let me come and learn it to finish. So that by the time I come out with my upper class, then by the upper class, I'm raise upper degree. Can grade you on. Now waiting carry me come here.
You see all these things where you talk now it dey my mind. Now everything now it dey here.
The two of us are so ambiguous. I want ambiguous mind. Yes.
We'll get something in communion. Commons.
Oh, Tia, communion matter.
Something. Now you make will be the same.
I don't hear. No go paint and make you no go be say we be friends. Make I go home, go think what you talk. Tomorrow I go give you feedback.
Go think waiting again. Some more peace where I say me will do. Now you say you won't come.
Peace around here, me. I nature now not at me peace. Cause whenever your enemy want do peace with you, something is wrong. No. So make I go new camera moga walk.
You boga me name again.
Oh me is a name. Make I go see you tomorrow.
Oh man, I'm gonna naila wo.
Huh?
I'm gonna naila.
You don't know the road where they follow go.
Me tiere go no my excursion.
I get leg, no put leg for me.
My excursion.
Your plot. I'm in that way I call you. My heart is the boil. What thing are they hear about you for this village? In the palm for heart. What other man like you go to my pikin school? Oh. Gaga so in that school room as it. No be say you think something way good. Now, bubble, sweet, chingum. If you want to think, do you think something tangible? Apomo yonyo shimaza. Aguru bubble. Ile Jesu la school umazi. Nonsense.
People why take their bubble, they complain to you. The children why took their thing inside school, they cry for you. If not be that small one where I know say their family na winch full up. Come on now, where KSF sweet atabi come will let on. But I can go to no as even atabi or meji. Them try people why leak their this thing, they complain. Some are going to school rap robin go sweet. What robin go bubble. What person where they play with the children, it's supposed to eat children thing. As they look me finish, say make I go back to primary school. Say Nadia go start. You know, Maziri Roy him gary. Keep and go son me. But mind yourself. I will mind yourself. Mind yourself.
Why I am telling you this is because me, international government officialism, I don't want you to damage my imagination. Ndị mmadụ pụtazie akpọwa m oyi onyoshi friend to onyoshilalism. I don't want it. Don't kill my image in this village just because I stood so low to be your friend.
Ah. Onye kpara nkụ ahụhụ ọ gịsị mgbere bịara gị ọrụ. Na me harvest ants firewood back for my house. I make every lizard onye ụlọ agafe ebe na-agwa m okwu anyhow. You get image. Ota.
Imagination.
Ota. You have image, oh. You are a bally fool. Makachineke, you are a bad. Just go thank your God. Make you just dey pray. Make I finally become actor. If I become actor, Makachineke Kremon Agana, onye mbuzo m ga-eji eme my actorship guild ọnwụ gụnwa. Mbute egbe taa na-ese emechi na rambo mbute egbe. Nke ọkọ ya ote maka chukwu mgbe mkpagide ote agaghị ya n'isi ụbụrụ ga-aghasa. Fia mi o.
Every day I come your house, you know I come to Igbo. I come today again, Maka. I caught you. People tell me, my friend, the one I come to give you advice. Give you quick about my international government officialism. A homie. No problem.
Stop, Joe. La 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 la. La 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 la. Take it.
I want
Tio, Dorcas.
Huh?
Wait, oh. What are you people trying to turn this school into? Love garden or what?
Auntie Biko, you got wobbly Ramusu. We play inside class, you complain. We quarrel, you complain. We fight, you complain. Kita when we say we come outside, come with wine. Jump into matrimonial friendship. You still follow us from outside. Brutaleka go bianga no need tashin pranya cooking in the seed. What is it?
Old fools. Matrimonial friendship in the school.
Yes.
Wait, other children are in the class sleeping and you're here playing love. Is that why you are here?
That is because we no be children.
Bam.
We no be children, cannot be children. No matter they ba one. I want na koto yeji eme full Brazilian head. Buri eni so tanga huche. You cannot afro. Kema ka afro. E buri ote a hote. Give na pom children. You tell children to sleep. We be adults. Here name here matrimonial friendship. We talk that will enter that class. No be say our nature and their nature no be the same. So please mind your business.
Bam. Huh? I wouldn't know. Ozurele go. Ozukwereleng. You won't tell us say you jealous in us.
Dorcas,
huh?
Did I hear you say jealous?
Yes,
me?
ma'am.
Jealous in you as in how? Anyway, I don't blame both of you. You people meet me in the class. I'm waiting. You will meet me in the class. Nonsense.
Bro, taleka yo gologo. Akuhari go. Huh?
So they can wear about it.
But the home.
She gets shoes. That's around him. You need the bar for each head.
Nna, you sure say that teacher Boroboro no dey eye you?
I who?
You.
I go talk that kind of thing. I who? I feel it where my head dey. If say she dey eye me, you go say You should say that teacher properly the eye your leg because on for my knee. Now there her eye go reach. And if I see say she don't the eye my knee, you would eat a boy but why am born? Yaga mess surgery. Yes, I don't get time for small children. You give me more.
I just say you go the kiss for me water.
Yeah, this thing where you want to do now. Now when I become actor, when I don't become ninja, you see ninja the way we will take kiss for ninja. Wait, make I show you. Ninja, you go there like this.
Yeah, we know muko go here ni.
Kidandara. Gift.
Yeah.
Chidemma.
That was my name.
Oh my God.
What thing they happen? This one won't address like this.
We want to go for photo shoots. You know, we need pictures for Instagram,
Facebook,
WhatsApp, Twitter.
We are going to paint the world red. You know.
Simple.
We are just starting. You see this one we are wearing. After this one, the next one will bring out our boobs. This one is just the start.
As you're
showing what
it.
you've got. Hey!
Oh, baby. I love this.
Do you like what you're saying?
You like it, right? Let me tell you. As soon as we become stars, somebody like you can never come close to us. It's a promise.
Hey. Shindi ba orola shinda aboki. Biko. Una go turn stars. Elu this star called star shere na la ko star keno nelu. Called the main star we me wan become kwa. Actor actresses of Nigeria and in Hollywood industry. How ya kono chore ewu?
That was what Bro AGK promised us.
It's like you've not heard. Oh, AGK promised to take us through Nollywood.
Thank you.
Ejikeke.
Yeah.
Yes.
So this is just
The beginning.
a tips of what you'll be getting.
Wait, if I may understand you very, very adequately. Ejike promise. No be say una don't become. Just promise. Uno bra lot makpu ahia. Promise nkate. Uno chitacha na eji ayo eme yo take anga na ayo chashi gari. Eh?
What is wrong with our dressing?
We have
So
to
you don't see
practice.
anything wrong with this. Small time they go say Nollywood, they paint, they disturb people, they destroy the world, they destroy this. This is how they start. Somebody just promise you, never even become one. Film on Katimebe, na Nigeria movie Nollywood Association, Nigeria industry. Uno chislana wo say aneji. Ana wo so wan are malewi anya wa no ga we leleche utabo pass fia so gbagbo onye kre ke gbagbo ngo shire maputa. Uno mo won take a me photo shoot. You want to go do photo shoot? You get in Instagram, see na Facebook. Facebook o here la hunu ka na elele. Because I didn't take a web I shut a page go there. I would cost hotel cost book give one time. Go to show them one go. Eh? Bakachine ke kremu na map. Mega hono na actor fee die. Mega hono na actor fee die. Mihenge mo na agda like ya.
Like
did you just
seriously? Huh?
Actor.
You know what? It's a promise. You will definitely see us there. Do you understand? Yes. Hello, babe.
Yes, sweetie.
Take it from me. You are just seeing the upcoming superstars. Read my lips. Babe, let's go.
Go where? Come. I dey talk you want come out. No, me dey talk to you want come out. Oh yeah, come go make I see you.
What is the problem?
Come and go, let me I see you. As far as say me dey concerned, no let me be star wey go come out from this village. First,
Hey!
na me be commando, na me be taekwondo, na me be just boy, na me be the ninja boy who na dey see for film for American film. And no let me, nobody photo shoot, go shoot make I see. No take go
I own a problem to you.
Go
Is
and
this not what other celebrities do when I post on Instagram?
other celebrity. Go na wagi ewu celebrity, iti ke ewu, iti pataka. They never make you star. You don't dey naked. If you become star, that means you go corrupt the whole nation. Move.
Why are
Take
you
go.
shouting?
In fact, go back.
For
Make
what?
Make una go
I'm
back.
respecting you. For
Go back.
what?
Go.
Yeah, go back.
Wait.
Yeah.
You want to let me? Let me.
Come and go. Come and go. I don't collect that. I wish you photo shoot. When you get shoot, you shoot. Stupid sneak on folk. Una star. Unu water ga hunte. Oh, no. There, where is you? Come and take your head, let I see. I wish you ga go wish ya. Everybody want to one. Oh no. All right, thank you very much. This is Chief Imo and his crew. We beg all of you to keep subscribing to our channel, Chief Imo Comedy on YouTube. As you do that, God will bless you. God will bless you. Hip, hip, hip. Hooray! We love you.